Whenever we get hurt by what? Somebody said loudly, or somebody hurt my dignity, then we get hurt. And that is where we have to give respect to each and every person. Never hurt the dignity of anyone. And that is what I say, controlling the vocal cord is called emotional mastery. Managing the sound here is called emotional mastery. Managing here is called emotional mastery. What to say, how to say, and how much to say, and whether to say or not. This is what the technique we learn, and that is where focus always on issue, not on the behavior of the person. Fear. Majority fears are irrational. 99% fears are irrational. 1% fear are real. But what we do, we perceive irrational things in our mind and keep them as a threat. The negative meaning of fear is false evidence appearing real. Positive meaning is face everything and rise. Face every fear positively and move forward in the life. Someone asked the bird, you are flying so high, you don't have fear of falling on earth. The bird say, I am not a human being. Which become stiff just by going little high in the life. I am something. My total movement of the body will be, that is why spondylitis come. Why spondylitis come? When I want to prove I am something. In the life, we don't have to prove anything. I don't have to prove anything. I am what I am. If you agree, okay. If you don't agree, okay. And when we do this exercise 3 times a day, I give 100% guarantee you are not going to get spondylitis. Because these neck muscles get stiff when we become tight.
Can we all do it now?
Yeah, we can do it, no problem. I have done it again. You can do it again with both hands now. Yes, we will play one song. Let's do. Time is up now.
No, time is not up.
No, I will go with the time. 7:30 was given to me. Yeah. Play that one. Slumdog. Yes, just get up. Again. What we are doing, one beautiful thing. In this exercise, we are doing let go. Let go is a very important word. Let go means those negative memories which are accumulated in our mind every day. So in the night, when I sit and watch ourselves, I delete and let go those things which are not appealing to me today. Don't accumulate them inside. Don't carry it too much. If you want to carry it for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, but don't keep it for many years here. And that gives us problem in our life. Meditation means empty out your mind every day. Cleaning the mind and intellect every day. I am cleaning it. Where I was wrong, why I was wrong, why I reacted. Do your SWOT analysis every day. And then you will go on changing yourself day by day. As Japanese principles say, ICAN, icon. Icon means continuous changes in our life, small changes in our life, never ending. Improve continuously in the life. When we bring small changes in our life, today, 1 week, 2 weeks, our negative personality, negative emotions become less and less reactive. They will become proactive. I remember my own thing and I will finish it because time is up for me. When I went back home to India after working in one of the South America country, my personality was very perfect. Everything I want to do it perfectly. When I went back home and I am thinking I will reach in half an hour. Now on the road many things used to happen. So many people going this way, bicycle, animals on the road. I used to react that People don't know the traffic sense. Government is not doing. Police is not doing anything. 3 months gone. I was watching them, they are enjoying it. Animal is also, cow is saying I am good. And I am producing more adrenaline body. Then I realized this will damage my body. So I put a new program in my computer. I love this scene very good. I love it. I love it. And when I am sitting again, same thing happening, I say, oh, beautiful. So good. Even I am telling cow, you are so good. You are taking care of the people. You are doing good job. So after that, my reactions become less and less. I become proactive and rather I am enjoying it more and more. Oh, beautifully. So you have to replace those negative feelings, emotion for particular event or particular person in a more better way. Because they are not going to change, I have to change myself. And when I will change, they will change also. Major problem come, all the people they come and say, he's not changing, she's not changing. But here what we have to do, I don't have to change anyone. I have to change myself. And this is the main caption of Brahma Kumaris. Self-transformation will bring world transformation. And second caption I always like, my thinking, my perception are creating vibration. So whenever I am going anywhere, to my office, to fly, to anywhere, create first positive imagination of that particular place. Visualize that place positively and think everyone is so good, so perfect. Because we all are perfectly imperfect. Mistakes happen, but due to mistakes, they should not break me. Mistakes are part of the life. Without mistakes, life is not there. So with this,
आपने कर दिया होगा switch.
ऊपर है. Anyway, this is the last. Charlie Chaplin said, nothing is permanent in this world, even our own problems. A day without laughter is a day wasted in the life. So whenever anything happens, do not laugh on others, laugh on your own self, go in a room, lock it up and laugh. Laughter is a medicine now and becoming an alternative treatment in hospital. And they are putting people there who come every day and make patients laugh. They have seen laughing create endorphins in the body. Laughing is an internal jogging, exercise is an external jogging. Whenever time comes, do not become serious, something happen, correct it, and be humorous. Be sincere, but not serious. Be sincere, but not serious. Thank you very much, and all the best to all of you, to your family, to your organization. Again, we will do 1 minute meditation.